Yeast is a type of fungus that is commonly used in baking, brewing, and fermentation. In baking, yeast is a leavening agent that helps dough rise by producing carbon dioxide gas through fermentation. This gas creates air pockets, making the dough light and fluffy. There are different types of yeast. Active dry yeast needs to be dissolved in warm water before use. Instant yeast can be mixed directly with dry ingredients. Fresh yeast comes in a moist, cake-like form and needs refrigeration. Wild yeast, found naturally in the environment and used for sourdough. Yeast is used as a leavening agent in bread, pizza dough, and pastries. It ferments sugars, producing carbon dioxide gas that makes dough rise. Yeast is essential in making beer, wine, and other alcoholic beverages. It converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide during fermentation. Some yeast strains, like Saccharomyces boulardii, are used as probiotics to promote gut health. Yeast helps in vitamin B production and boosts the immune system. Yeast is used in animal feed to improve digestion and boost immunity.